Alright guys, this is SnappyTown. This is our logo basically. It's a map that you can have an open lobby and we can all join and build what you want, but it's not open yet. So yeah, our website is www.snappytown.webs.com. Yeah, so this is going to be above our spawn. Basically, I made spawn and this sign. It was made by Liam Dowes. This guy here, called British Snipes with his sword. He made all this and I helped him a bit. Me, Shane Favour, and yeah, as you see, it's quite a good sign. And this will be above our spawn, which I made. Yeah, and it's got all the rules to it. Yeah. Well, basically, go on your website. It tells you all about. You send us an invite. My name's Shane Favour 24. Well, actually no. Send Slugs41 an invite, and British Snipes in front of me, and basically you'll be able to play. Read all the rules on the website, and he's being a bit stupid at the moment. But yeah, that's it really. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.